Hello, my name is Sherman, and I'm one of the techs here at VideoOneRepair.com. I'm working on a Sony PXW FS5 camcorder that, when connecting the LCD cable to the body, you will either have no picture or an intermittent, loose, or flaky connection on the LCD display. The customer informed us that he is constantly plugging and unplugging the cable from the LCD to the camcorder body, which he thought may have led up to this problem. This problem is not normally caused by the LCD assembly, but rather a problem with an internal circuit board inside of the body of your Sony FS5 camcorder. This is a new circuit board that has the LCD connector on it. When this part is replaced, we only use a genuine Sony part sourced directly from Sony. After replacing the circuit board, it's now time to put the camcorder back together for testing. The LCD connector PCB has been replaced and the camcorder is working perfectly now. If you have any questions about having the LCD connector circuit board replaced on your Sony FS5 camcorder, please give us a call or visit our website at VideoOneRepair.com.